y'all doing? It's your girl, 1K Yellow Diamond, and I'm back with another video. I want to hold that long next time. How is everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing fine. I hope everybody is blessed, y'all. We on the road with these reaction videos, y'all. Make sure you all go show Chris is the boom. Is that how? Yeah. Make sure y'all go check out Chris the Bull. Make sure y'all let him know that 1K Yellow Diamond sent y'all there. Okay, leave a comment and let him know. Okay, make sure you what? Subscribe. Press that post notification bell and thumbs up the video. All right, y'all, we getting ready to react to this video called "This is Why You Can't Leave Your Doors Unlocked."
And it caught on the Ring doorbell.
Who is leaving doors? Look, I'm looking at my door. Who is leaving doors unlocked?
Man, you just don't know. A lot of people do that. Man, even I don't want to say no name, but I have a friend that's so used to leaving doors unlocked, like even like college dorm room. Like I don't know, he's so used to like leaving his door unlocked and thinking like nobody won't break in.
I was gonna say he just not thinking, like, you know, he come in and start doing stuff and then he realizes it's unlocked, or he just don't think about locking it.
Thinking about unlocking it. Yeah. Thinking nobody not gonna break in. You think
please.
Everybody is a nice symbol. I mean, I say you do it all the time.
Right,
I'm just saying, like most times, I mean, I call myself even just open the door and I'm walking right in.
Oh, wow. You know who used to do that? I used to tell her all the time, Nene, mama.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. She used to leave, but she always says, like the grandkids always coming
always in.
Yeah. But I said, Mama, I don't care.
They can knock anybody.
Rest in peace, Mama. But, yeah, but, you're right. But yeah, Nene used to do that all the time. All the time.
Back then,
but thank God, changed. No one
probably been
walked in or nothing.
But the world had changed.
Right. I wouldn't dare. I don't care. It's a habit of me locking doors.
Well, we about to see what's going to happen in this video. So
let's get to it. Press. Why he was doing all that? Oh wait. He looked like he kind of owns something. Oh, that was it.
Mike, right there. Mike.
What was that?
Oh.
Hey, I'm confused. Oh, they was taking stuff out, huh?
So.
He taking the TV out. I'm thinking that was a board for a window or something. Oh, wow.
Even leaving back doors open is not good.
Leaving no doors open.
Man, I don't care. Like,
what if someone come in? What if someone come in and get in your attic? Or base, some people, areas live, y'all have basement. Get in your attic and you wouldn't even know if you leaving doors unlocked.
People, man, they set up, man. People,
wow.
Wilding.
That's crazy.
Usually, a lot of people don't come in the daytime, but man,
that man look like he,
Why you checking my door?
Wow.
People be drunk and be tripping, man.
Seeing if someone got the door unlocked. I think they be kind of, they mind not right for whatever reason. Ooh.
You look like you drunk.
Oh, he didn't even take it. It looked like something kind of mentally.
It's just showing proof that this is why you don't leave your door unlocked, because people really come to doors just for no reason, just to check and see if it's unlocked.
Yeah.
They don't know what they're getting themselves into. Some people, they drunk, they go to the wrong house. Yeah. Some people just don't care. They feel like they see you with a lot of money and stuff already coming in the house.
Right,
they probably scoping you.
Right.
And they want to see people don't just slip up.
Wow,
sometimes
that's crazy.
Can't slip up.
But he didn't take that package. That's surprising, but I guess he ain't looking for that. I don't know what he looking for.
Trying to get in the house, and really, I don't even know what he probably would have think. And he probably been shocked if the door was open. So he probably would have went in, know his next move.
Breakfast. I don't know why breakfast
he would have lost his life.
If no one not there, just think they went out of town and left it unlocked. They gone for a whole week.
That's probably why they be checking the door, see?
It's Christmas time. What are you...
Oh, where's your, who lives here?
I do.
You do? Okay, do I know you? Oh, okay,
the door? This stupid lady opened the door.
Ooh, but she had a dog. He was scared. Right. He was scared.
Right. And she was lucky too, because I wouldn't open no door. Period.
She probably had her gun. She probably.
Oh yeah, she probably like, yes, may I help you? No, that person don't live here.
But yeah, it's a chance. He could have probably bowguard her or could have done anything. But he was. You seen how shocked he was when she got the dog.
Right.
He like.
I'm
gonna come up with some real quick. Oh, I'm sorry. Wrong house.
Right.
Wow.
And it's Christmas time? I guess it's Christmas time.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Speaking another language. People may not think them ring lights don't be really working like that.
Oh, yeah.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
I'm gone. I ain't open the door. The door didn't open. I'm gone. Peace. That man gone.
Right.
And he won. And this.
You heard a voice or something?
I don't know. He knocked and ran to see if they were going to open.
Oh, he was scared.
Who he talking to? Oh, that man looks scary.
Oh, it's probably.
Yeah, can't hardly see his face. I try to find somewhere to sleep. And people leave their doors unlocked. Well, I guess I don't know.
Ooh. Door open? He leaned like the door was open.
What the hell is in?
Screwdriver. Oh, you trying to... That's why he was leaning hard, so he was trying to pop it open.
I thought it opened.
Oh, man. People really be trying to...
Oh, wow. Can't make that.
A little girl, a woman.
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh, wow.
It's locked.
What's the purpose? What's the purpose of that? Just like, wait. I'm sorry. What's the purpose of that little gate? And he just walked like that and stepped down. What?
The purpose is that...
For decoration?
I mean, yeah, but at the same time, just know that you're not close to my door. Like, you know what I'm saying? You're really not. So if my gate is locked, I mean...
Right,
you can't go past this little area.
I guess.
And that little area, I would have had a dog.
Yeah, exactly. Because this man just stepped up there, and let's see what he's going to do next. walking all on the people's place. Oh, wow. He's like, let's go. We can't get in. That's crazy to me. Some bold people. That's all I can say. Bold people that desperate. Probably not bold, desperate. Or just don't know what they doing because their mind is a little bit off.
They just drowning me. My energy is just drowned just from the attempting to try to break in somebody's house. And it's just not a good decision. No,
well, and it's how they trying to break. They screwing doorknobs. That's why you could, I don't know.
They don't believe in cameras no more. Like, man, they don't think these cameras really be catching them.
You think that's
action? Like, and that's the funny part. Oh, they just notice and they don't really care. So that's the first thing. Even when you do anything or try to attempt anything, is do they have cameras?
Right.
Because you're not trying to show your face.
Right.
You don't care about showing your face.
Right. That's why it got to be some kind of like their mind is a little off balance.
They don't care no more. That's what it is.
Y'all comment and let us know. What do y'all think? What is going through these people's mind to come up to people's door? I mean, I think their mind is a little off balance. Or they, you know, probably on drugs or home. And I think if you're on drugs and homeless, your mind is a little bit off balance too.
Some don't even look like they on drugs or homeless. They just...
All of them did on this one. They looking like they was some,
I don't know.
Like a screw fail or something. But bless them all. All right, now. Make sure you all go show Chris is the bull some love. And that's it. Make sure y'all let us know y'all comment about this video. Let me know what y'all think. What is going through these people's mind? What could be they issue or, you know, whatever. So, until next time. Anything
all right. See ya.